Imagine being the person that comes to mind when a promotion or a speaking opportunity comes available. Or walking out of an interview or a speech feeling amazing because you know you showed up at your best. And you have the tools that you know you could do that over and over again. The key to standing out and being magnetic is not in having the right words prepared. The key to standing out is in your presence. How present are you able to be with an audience or with a person when you're under pressure? And is your presence magnetic? Does it have the effect of drawing people's attention in and effortlessly attracting the positive attention you want so that you can make the impact you want to make? That type of presence affects your income. I'm Cassie Nevitt, the creator of Present with Confidence, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the simple process that I use and that I share with all of my clients so that they can show up at their very best in those interactions that matter most. Now, it's one thing to intellectually learn the concept of this process, and it's a completely different thing to really learn it, practice, and get feedback on how you're coming across. At the end of this video, I have a special invitation for you to get some in-person support so that instead of these incremental changes, you can experience dramatic shifts in the way that you show up and really start seeing results. Because once you can consistently and consciously learn to use your physical body and your energetic presence to support you, you will feel empowered to show up at your best every time and to start aspiring for greater things. I was really inspired by the story of one of my clients who aspired for greater things and had a great result. So she was in my 8-week Present with Confidence program. She's a realtor, and one of the challenges that she had expressed was being able to step into and own representing a higher end market. Now, she's a really experienced realtor and she's great at what she does, probably more qualified than a lot of the people that are currently in that high end market. But there's an intimidation factor sometimes of stepping into owning that you can actually be worth that much. Now, over the course of the 8 weeks we worked together, her presence increased. She became so solid in how she could speak about what she does. And she came in on the 8th week with the celebration that she had secured a listing for a $3 million home. 5 to 6 times the value of the typical homes that she was used to representing. Now, that celebration was amazing in itself, but the best part for her was how she felt about that interaction. Now she knew that she could go into something that would previously have been intimidating and really stand strong in who she is and what she wants and what she can offer and not negotiate down her value. Are you ready to learn those steps that she used before she walked into that door? Before any interaction that has the potential to move you forward in your business or professional life, these are the 4 steps to go through. The first is to get clear on what you want to come out of the interaction if everything goes well. The second is to warm up your physical body and your voice so that you are grounded, energized, and solid. Third step is to stay grounded in the center and the lower half of your body. When we're not grounded, people have to exert more effort to hear us, to listen, and that's when we run into trouble with the mind going blank or the mouth becoming a runaway train. The 4th step is to be big and take up space. When we shrink, that's when we start to come across as insecure, apologetic, or invisible. This is the simplest form of the process, and you may have tools that you can start to plug into the various steps. But the impact of learning to trust yourself and your preparation comes from being walked through a process, developing the muscle memory of how you want to show up, and getting honest and supportive feedback. The tools that I teach are simple, they're potent, and they've been a game changer for myself and many others. If you know it would move you forward to be able to show up consistently at your best, no matter what is going on around you, spend the day with me at Present with Confidence, Maximize Your Message, and I will share everything I can possibly fit into one day to support you. I'll be teaching my best practices and the process that I actually use to show up at my best when I speak. It's an experiential workshop, so you will get lots of practice with everything that you've learned, and you'll get feedback in a safe and supportive environment on how you show up. In this full-day workshop, you will increase your confidence and presence at the front of the room or anywhere else that you present yourself. Learn to manage self-consciousness so it stops holding you back. Embody a power that doesn't intimidate or diminish others. Become more powerful and effective in your leadership and speaking. And be more fully you and more fully present when your impression matters most. Details are on this page or can be found by following the link. If you know more is possible for you and you want to step up and own it, register today. Don't put this off. Click on the link, scroll down, and complete the registration form. I promise I will give you the best that I have, and you will leave with tools that you'll use every day for the rest of your life. So click on that link, scroll down, complete your registration, and I'll see you soon.